Okay. Hello everyone, my name is Tang, and today I had such honor to
built on top of our block platform, and it's our open chain access protocol apps. And for the other hand, it's also developer tools. So it's basically like a super app. So this is not just an app for the demonstration. It's the app for the developers in the future for them to use and debug and test the applications against the OCAP.
Yeah. Okay, so I was a developer, and then I write code in Python. And for a developer who wants to deploy the apps based on using the app block platform, then what kind of languages they should use?
Okay, so for the OCAP, we adopt the GraphQL, which is a query language that invented by Facebook and contributed to the open source community a few years ago. So this language is basically, you can think this is a kind of domain-specific language only designed for the query, right? So basically, compared to database world, it's something like a SQL, structured query language. But this is optimized for, this is basically called a GraphQL. It's kind of a like better query language. And we adopt this into the blockchain. So that basically means anybody who already familiar with the GraphQL community can immediately develop the blockchain application right now. And the best thing is, for example, you mentioned that you're a Python developer, so GraphQL already have excellent supporting with Python.
Wow.
So it has Python support, it has JavaScript support, it also have the iOS, Android. And we are also going to create the JavaScript and iOS and Android native SDK for OCAP. That basically means whoever already familiar with the software development, all they need to know is they need to learn a little bit about OCAP, how the OCAP works, and also they need to adopt one of the common GraphQL. And then they can start developing with whatever language and tools they're already familiar with.
Okay, that's cool. But may I know how long it takes to develop the OCAPs and how many developers that contribute their work to making the OCAPs?
So right now, so basically the OCAP itself is basically the architect in the protocol. So the initial version, it just takes a couple of developers for us to create the protocol and implement the first few blockchain support. So right now we have Bitcoins and Ethereum support. However, right now in the market, there's many different type of blockchains.
Yes.
Even you only counting this blockchain which are mature or have a great concept, it's still quite a bit of them. So we need the community to work together with us. So for example, some of the developers might be able to help us support more blockchain types. For example, we just announced that CyberMiles, one of our partners, they're going to support the Open Chain Access Protocol for CyberMile chains. So that basically means once the CyberMile adapter is there, so OCAP, the whole OCAP community can then use CyberMiles.
So it means that OCAP will be like open source. Then people can contribute their work and to develop with OCAPs together.
That's right.